Let's draw a chainsaw man together. I'm using a marker and a pen, and I'll break everything down step by step. Let's start by sketching the main shape of Chainsaw Man's head. I'm keeping the lines simple and loose. I'm not worrying about details yet, just the structure. Now I add the teeth and inner lines. Simple hatching to give it depth. A few dark areas to make it look sharper. Now I start building up the shadows around the head. I use layered hatching to give it more volume. I darken the area around the engine part. This helps separate the head from the body. Next, I work on the neck and inner mechanical details. I use long, curved lines to follow the shape. I keep adding shadows step by step, focusing on contrast, not perfection. Now I sketch the guidelines for the chainsaw blade. I use a ruler to keep the blade straight. I draw the outline of the blade first, then add the spikes along the edge. After that, I add light shading inside the blade. Just simple, even lines to keep it clean. I darken the base of the blade near the head to make it feel more solid. Finally, I add a few extra shadows and small details to bring everything together. If you enjoyed this drawing, feel free to try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.